I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to hide your IP address from senders in the Mail app on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Hiding your IP address helps prevent senders from linking your account to any of your other online activity or specific locations. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down this menu and then tap Apps. The list of all of the apps installed on your iPhone or iPad is shown. Step 2. Scroll down this list and then tap Mail. A screen showing Mail app options is displayed. Step 3. Scroll down this menu to the Messages section and then tap Privacy Protection in this section. The Privacy Protection screen opens. Step 4. Tap to toggle on Protect Mail Activity. Again, with this feature toggled on, Apple will hide your IP address from senders so they can't connect it to your other online activity or determine your specific location. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.